Welcome to Lettuce Bake Snack Attack.
Today we are making banana yogurt popsicles.
Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat.
Peel one banana and cut it in half.
Take a popsicle stick and stick it into the center of a banana.
Put the yogurt of your choice into a bowl.
Clean up! On aisle 2, we got a yogurt spill. You're gonna need a silicone brush or a spoon to help you with any extra yogurt.
Now, dunk your banana. Use your brush or spoon to move the yogurt around.
Pull it out and lay it on your prepared pan.
Now it's time to decorate with your sprinkle of choice.
Take this tray and stick it in the freezer for 2 hours. And you've just been hit with another Lettuce Bake
Snack Attack!